In this video, I will showcase how to make a character talk with the help of ChatGPT to make the image, and also add the lip sync in HedraAI to make a talking character. Follow along, here it is. Let's go into ChatGPT here. So I've prepared a bit. I asked ChatGPT to give me a good character to use for lip sync, for example in HedraAI. Maybe some Pixar character is good. And then give me some options here for the demo. A cheeky delivery bot, a overworked cartoon intern, a talking toast with eyes, cute alien translator, drama llama. And I asked them to ChatGPT to make number 2 for me. I think it could be good. And this is my character. I will add some lip sync too. And I think the good rule is to have a character that doesn't have the mouth is shown. Maybe if you do it like a horse that have done something in the past, they don't have a mouth that to lip sync. It will be messy when they do it. So make your character clean, or at least so you can see the mouth in a good way. I think that's why the Bigfoot videos are good, because he has a good mouth to make a voice on, and so on as well. And yeah, so let's take this picture now and I will save it here, and I will move on to HedraAI, and I will go. This is another character I did before. Let's go to video. Make a new one. We can just listen to this one first.
Hello, I am an angry old man, and you need to like this video now.
Okay, let's make our own then. You can start frame here, upload your image. This is the latest one. This is my boring, tired intern, and you can add some audio script here. You can either upload something if you have it on maybe 11 Labs or something else, if you record it yourself and previously, or yeah, if you have any sound that you want to, maybe a music video, or that you want the character to sing or something. I've done it before. It works very well. So for this video I don't have any sound recorded before, so we can either record a sound or generate speech. Let's try and record if it works here. I'm not sure what to say. Maybe say something boring because he's very tired or something. Yeah. Oh, I'm so bored of this being this intern for this company XX, and yeah, I really want to quit and go home and sleep or something. We can hear it here. Oh, I'm so bored of this being this intern for this company XX, and yeah, I really want to quit and go home and sleep or something. Okay, and also you can let's add this to the video, but you can also add other voices from built-in characters here. You have a lot of options to choose from, so you don't need to. You can add your own voice or add other AI voices here, and they have pretty good choices as well. And also we need to pick Hedra character 3. I think it's usually picked here, and you need to have the ratio. This will be for a short video, so I will do 9.16, and 720p I think is good to use. And auto durations, which will not be that long. I can also make some movement for the character, and we can pretty much ask ChatGPT for it. I think it's hanged here, so I can say any good movements to add to HedraAI for this image. I will get some options here. Not sure if this is good to paste in. Just give me easy copy paste. Maybe sometimes they make it too overcomplicated. Let's try to add this one. Copy. And then you can see here cost me 74 credits. I have 190 here, but I bought the base version, like $10 or something. And if you sign up, you get some free
credits to use to test it out. So I think you can go and mix out anything you want here. I can recommend it before you buy it or something. And also let's try to generate it here. I think these Pixar characters are the best if you want to make some lip sync or something. And it should start here. It can take a while because you go into the queue. Even if you have the pro or base version, it takes a lot of time to generate this. So I will speed this up and I will be back when it's ready. Okay, a few minutes later and we are back and our video is ready. Let's see how it sounds.
Oh, I'm so bored of this being this intern for this company XX, and I really want to quit and go home and sleep or something. Whoa.
Okay, so this is a finished product. It's really easy. So play it out. I think you can 3 and 4 before you have to purchase anything from this HedraAI. So if you like this video, please subscribe or like this video. I will make more of these quick tutorials on how to make AI stuff.